guys! Good morning and welcome back sa aking channel. So ngayong umaga, well, not umaga guys, it's lunchtime. Ang gagawin natin ay magluto tayo ng lunch. I have here a marinated chicken. What we're going to do sa ating chicken ay i-barbecue natin ang ating grill doon na gawa ng anak ko. Guys, assembled by my daughter. I'm so proud. She's 16 years old. She assembled our grill. Meron siyang engineering class and then she likes to do things like that. So, what daddy asked is to assemble our grill. So, ayan siya guys, mag-grill tayo ng chicken sa labas. I am so proud dahil talagang na-assemble yan niya at wala talagang yun bang kailangan ni daddy na i-fix pa dahil may kailangan ganito. No. Yeah. Okay, we are going to barbecue our chicken. 12:30 na. Siguro maluto siya mga 45 to 1 hour. Okay lang guys dahil late kami nag-breakfast. Okay, punta tayo sa likod. While nagluto tayo ng barbecue, now we're going to make our bread. So itong bread is Nutribun. Sa ating Nutribun guys, it's not all flour but we're going to divide it. 2 cups flour and 1.5 cup of this almond flour and 1/4 cup sa ating chia seeds. Back to our chia seeds, we are going to soak it first. So 1/2 and 1/2 cup of milk is para sa ating chia seeds. And 1/2 of our milk, we'll use that one sa ating 3 teaspoons of yeast. 3 tablespoons of chia seeds to make it nutritious, o diba? So, ano yung Nutribun? Pag hindi siya nutritious, ang ilagay mo puro na lang yung flour. So, napag-isipan ko na, lagyan natin siya ng chia seeds. So, ito si chia seeds, guys, mag-bloom siya after mga 30 minutes. So, tingnan natin, guys, dahil mag-bloom ito siya, madali siyang mag-bloom, and then i-mix natin siya sa ating flour, sa ating mixture. Dapat i-soak sa si chia seeds, so magiging 1/2 cup na siya guys dahil mag-bloom, and then 1/2 cup of chia seeds, 1.5 cup of almond flour, and 2 cups of our flour. So ayan ang ating mixture sa ating nutritious Nutribun. So if you have coconut flour, maganda rin siya, but the problem of the coconut flour and this almond flour, it will not rise. So, yung ano ninyo, yung bread ninyo is matigas siya. Yung hindi talaga siya yung super rice talaga. So, half sa mixture is flour and half sa mixture, either you have coconut flour or almond flour. Chia seeds is good for salad, yogurt for breakfast, i-mix ninyo sa cereal, and smoothies and juices. So, napakaganda talaga ang chia seeds. Yan siya ng 3 tablespoons. Ayan, nag-bloom na siya. Nag-umpisa na siya nag-bloom. So, magiging 1/2 cup siya. And ito si yeast. Para yatang, parang, ano na itong yeast ko eh. Parang luma na si yeast ko. Luma na si yeast. Siguro lagyan din natin siya ng, yan, si baking powder. Luma na siya, hindi yata nagbubble. So let's see guys in 10 minutes time kung magbubble si yeast or hindi. Overall guys, it's really good. Protein is 3 gram ang protein niya. So maganda ang ating mixture sa ating Nutribun. Well, nagluto tayo ng chicken. Magawa tayo ng fresh orange juice dahil marami tayong oranges. So, malapit na kasi ito siyang mabulok eh. Parang ano na siya. Lahat na ay very soft. So talagang ano na siya guys. Talagang ready na siyang ito siya is medyo matigas pa siya. But the rest, at itong orange guys, mga tamad kasi yung mga tao dito mag ano eh. Mga tamad sila magmuya. So, mostly sa aking mandarin, gagawin ko na lang siyang juice dahil, naku, matamad kaya sila magmuya. Ang chicken natin doon ay malapit na siyang maluto. Anong oras na ako? Yes, malapit na siyang maluto and nagluto din ako ng cabbage. So, mamayang hapon, light dinner na lang, mag-bruschetta tayo dahil magawa tayo ng Nutribun. And ito si tomato, napakadami ang na-order. Order namin yan online, isang pumpong, napakadami naman nakuha. Na lang ang hapunan natin, bruschetta, and meron tayong leftover siguro chicken sa ating barbecue. Siya na ang ating pang-dinner. Oh. So, we're done feeding our people, guys. Our people. Ayan, tapos na silang nag-lunch. So, ngayon, ang barbecue natin ay medyo, medyo nasunog siya, but it's okay. Ayan, si chicken natin medyo nasunog. Wow. But my chicken tastes really good. Yum. Since I finished feeding them, naka-barbecue ng chicken, and then we have a leftover rice, nabigay ko yan siya, and meron tayong cabbage na sauté. Yan ang favorito ng anak ko. Lagyan mo siya ng chicken powder na the cabbage is so yummy. Even my husband loves it too. So, sa ating Nutribun, it's very nutritious, guys. Dahil, why? Instead of adding 4 flours, we only use 2 flours and 1.5 of this almond flour and 1/2 cup of this chia seeds. So, ayan ang ating sikreto sa ating Nutribun. Talagang nutritious siya, di ba? Ito ang ating chia seeds. Nag-bloom na siya, guys. 1/2 cup ito ng milk. You have to soak with milk. Siguro na-soak ko siya ng mga more than an hour. And ito dapat 10 minutes, but I tried, guys. Nag-bubbles ang ating yeast. So, ang ating matagal, ang luma nating yeast, guys, ay okay pa siya. So, to our Nutribun, we use brown sugar. Instead of using white sugar, try to use brown sugar. It doesn't matter, you know. So, instead of 1/4 cup of brown sugar, I make it into 1/2. Why? Gusto ko yung matamis-tamis. And masarap yan siya sa ating bruschetta. Brown sugar, and then we're going to add flour. Ito siya is all-purpose flour, kaya gagamit tayo ng yeasts. We're going to add our yeasts. Wow. And chia seeds. Oh, wow. Ganyan si chia seeds, guys. Mag-ano siya, yun para siyang gum. Magiging siya. And we have here 4 tablespoons of melted butter. We are going to add 2 eggs. Ayan. I'm so excited. So, ito siya, guys, ay ibang lasa na Nutribun. Before, I made Nutribun, but it's different. So, I decided this time, I make it really a nutritious one. So, for our Nutribun, flour pa lang siya. So, take note, almond flour is not. So, sa lahat ng mga allergy ng nuts, talagang bawal ito siya. And if you're allergy sa nuts, you can replace it into like coconut flour. Dahil meron din ditong coconut flour. Ayan, see? Almond flour. Almond flour. Yan. Since marami tayong sour cream, if I bake a cake, especially banana cake, I will add sour cream. And this one is a bun, so we'll try to add sour cream as well. But if you don't have sour cream, it doesn't matter. Sa ating mga Filipino, wala tayong sour cream eh. So add 1/2 cup of sour cream. Ito na siya, 1/2 cup of sour cream. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. We have to mix, guys. Iba ang nilagay ko, guys. Hindi na siya flour. But it looks like it's a sticky one too. So, tingnan natin. Huh? No? Somebody, you heard somebody's knocking? Well, go check. 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of nutritious one. Like if you have coconut flour, if you have almond flour, if you have cassava flour, if there is cassava flour, or maybe corn flour. And add with the chia seeds. Oh, very nutritious siya, guys. So I think this one is good. 3 cups of flour and 2 cups of different kinds of flours. Yes. So last i-add ninyo is salt and add vanilla. Siya ang pinaka-last na i-add ko. It's up to you if you want to do it first. Go ahead. But for me, guys, buhos-buhos na siya. Buhos-buhos na siya. But you have to separate sa chia seeds natin and you have to separate the yeast. But some yeast, itong yeast ko, guys, ready to mix but I separated it. So, we have to rice this one for another hour. So, let's see kung mag-rice siya, guys, dahil iba ito siya, hindi siya all flour, but we add something. So, sa inyong bowl, you have to add oil para hindi siya didikit. Well, look at that. A very good mixture. We are going to put this away dito malapit sa ano ko nilutuan sa ating oven dahil para mag-crush.